Sirozah 14. Geush, the body of the cow, the soul of the cow, to the powerful Drvaspa, made by Mazda and holy. Geush, tashne, gêush, urune, drvâspayô, sûrayô, mazdadhâtayå, ashaonyô. Geush, tashne, gêush, urune, drvâspayô, sûrayô, mazdadhâtayô, ashaonyô. Geush, tashne, gêush, urune, drvâspayô, sûrayô, mazdadhâtayô, ashaonyô. Geush, Pahlavi, cow, Geush, Avestan, cow, guardian of all animals, female. Day name, Geush. Here we again meet the cosmogonic myth of the great archetypal bovine. This entity is sometimes seen as a bull, sometimes as a cow, and is often called an ox. The original cosmic bovine was killed, as we learned, by the effects of the Davic forces of disease, but the soul Urvan ascended and is known as Geush. In this form, she gave rise to all animals and certain plants. Geush is the female mazdadhâtayå, also known as Drvâspayô, she who keeps horses healthy. Geush, the soul of all animals, is said to be heroic, nourishing, and courageous. The importance of cattle and horses to early Indo-European society cannot be overestimated. The horse was the key to success in battle and to the ability to traverse wide open spaces of Central Asia and beyond. Cattle formed the basis of their economic life and sustenance. Zarathustra's philosophical reforms of archaic Indo-European religion were in part a reaction to the abuses and excesses of society in his day. In their lust for power and pleasure, they over-sacrificed. Zarathustra's reforms make him the ultimate father of ecology and animal rights, of which Geush is the divine protectress. Magically, Geush is invoked to protect and defend good and beneficial animals of all kind.